Okay, as I keep saying, okay, that's the ratchet. The little one, the extent. This is an extended one here. If I get I gotta get the light on. That looks good. That one's the little small bolt, and then the other one's got an extension on it. That's the bigger one. Now here's the tip that's going to save your ass. Do not over tighten these bolts. Let me say that a couple of times. Do not over tighten them, because they're, first of all, this is a little tiny thing there where that sits down in there, and then the other one is copper, and it'll break really easy. So you just barely got to get it nice and snug. And don't go any further. You know, if you have to come back and check it or something, maybe, but don't over tighten it, because you'll break the bolt right off and you'll have to go get another starter. So that's the thing. So and it's actually patience and getting rid of that one wire over there that I took out earlier off that sending unit, so I could get the thing in there. And then you got to have it oriented right, so at the bottom of the solenoid's down here where these wires are. And then you just work it in there and make sure it's not crooked or anything in there, nice and flat. And then that's it for now. Finish up the mess.